Water can be one of the best friends of any planted area, but if you get too much in one concentrated area, you end up with erosion.
That was the problem here. A rut had formed because of the runoff from the rest of the yard. So what I've already done is cut a piece of burlap to size. And as you can see, I've already put holes in it. Now these holes are going to be where I'm going to put the ground cover that I've selected. It's this little jasmine. And all you're going to do is in the slits that you've made is put the plant. Don't worry about the dirt getting on top. That's just fine.
Now, is the burlap better than, say, using just regular landscape fabric?
Well, landscape fabric is meant more as a weed block, whereas this nice burlap is very, very biodegradable, and it will disintegrate over time. So for our purposes here, as a ground cover, this is a much better choice than that.
Now, what about the stakes here? You really have to kind of stake it off in any way?
It's a real good idea because it's really unstable now, and if a rain were to come tonight, for example, it could really start dragging all of this. So you do want to put the stakes in, and then after time, when these plants start to, when you see new growth, that's about the time that you can remove those stakes, and it's going to work out real well and help prevent the erosion from happening again.
And then after everything's down, I guess the mulch goes on top to cover it all up.
Yeah, the mulch goes on top and it'll just look great.